My name is Eoin Sheehan. I am the owner of Country Munch, a meal prep service based here in Limerick. It all started on the farm. I'm from Pallaskenry, a small village out in West Limerick. My grandmother was the healthiest, happiest woman that I ever knew. She ate the food from the farm, she grew her own garden, and she never stressed about food or nutrition. And that's what I want to achieve with Country Munch, a wholesome, simplistic approach to food and nutrition. And that is what we do. Fresh food cooked daily, from scratch, and packed ready to go. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, no diets, just good old-fashioned food. From students, athletes, accountants, busy working professionals, mothers, fathers, anyone who doesn't have time to cook but wants a healthy, affordable option, we serve you. The food that we eat will either feed or fight disease. I love what I do. We're making a difference one meal at a time. Simple, healthy, wholesome. If you'd like to try it out, you can go to our website at www.countrymunch.com, or you can hit us up on any of our socials.